guys, they're gonna be doing a PoKeMoN unboxing. I have 8 more packs. I opened the last one in my last video, and I'm excited to see what I get. We have a lot of Lost Origin and Scarlet Violet Panda Evolved. Oh, no, we just have one Lost Origin, Sword and Shields, and then Panda Evolved. I think quite a few of these are Panda Evolved. Yeah, so these ones are all Panda Evolved, and then these ones are Scarlet and Violet. I'm only going to be opening one pack in this video because I want to make a lot of videos out of it. So let's get started. I'm going to open this one because I like the cute little trio on it. So let's get started. I know the last video I made was kind of a different format. I decided I liked this format better. But we have a different character which kind of matches this. I'm going to think the one in this one matches this. Because like the package from this one was like this, and the package looks like this one. So I want to see if this one matches. The pack inside is the same as this one. Might not make sense, I just think it's kind of funny. Anyway, so let's do the opening. I think the one in my last video was just hard. Because this one's actually a lot easier. And you can see the code card there. Okay, so I don't really know any card tricks, but let's just take the code card out. Put that over to the side. And then I'm going to go 2 back. Yeah, I'm going to go 2 back. And just see where that gets me. Okay, so we have this one, the cloth. Has a little shiny rim. The energy, I'm gonna set that out to the side. Ooh, I don't think I have this one. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Oh, that one's kind of funny. It's a Leehawk. We have a Scarfy. I also have this one. I don't have any of these. We have a basic. I don't know how to say that name. This one. And this like cute mouse one. I don't know if those are mouses, but we're gonna go with mouse. Then we have, I think this is the rare one. It has like the shiny graphics. That's cool. And the last card. Is this rare? I'm not sure. It's a basic, but it looks pretty cool. And I think they came with like 10 cards plus a code card, or including the code card. I'm not sure. Here's all I got. Bye. Hope you come back for the rest of the unboxing.